All right, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know, my name is Alma. I'm an entrepreneur. I do taxes, I do real estate, I help people buy and sell their home. I also do nails. You can check me out on Instagram page. It will probably gonna be down below. My phone number is 678-308-5308 if you need any of my services. Of course, I wear my hat. But this channel is gonna be mainly for food because I love to cook. Then I told myself I might as well use that. So anyway, today we made spaghetti and meatballs, really good sauce. And now what I told you, I'm gonna make homemade bread rolls. So we already started in that previous video. Now they're ready and we're gonna finish them for today. So I'm gonna show you how I do it. So I got the big, it's a really big one, big pan. Usually I do the butter instead of oil, but I don't have any more butter. I used it all, so I'm just gonna use the oil, just a little bit. And then make sure it's all over, right? And I'm gonna put that on the side. Gonna use a little bit of flour and go all over or whatever you're gonna make, a countertop or a table, anything. And then mix it one more time. And then you can take it and place it like this. Now, we're gonna have to cut it in a small pieces and make circle out of them. Like that. And then you can take a knife, you can use your hands. I always use my hands for everything. So I do that smaller. Break this on two pieces. Might be small, but that's okay. There you go. Now, you can do it like this or any way you want it. And then try to make it in a ball. Once you're satisfied, you can place it in a pan. I'll show you that later. And you can just make sure the bottom is nice, like that. I'm gonna do this another one. These are gonna be so soft, you'll see. I try for them to be even, but if they're not, it's okay. They're still gonna look good. But you can take a knife and make it even with the knife into even pieces. And we got one more. I have 6 today. I separate them like that. And I don't do anything. I let them sit for a good half an hour. And then you put it in the oven. I do it 375. For 20 to 25 minutes. As soon as they get that brownish color, you can take them out and put a little bit butter on it. But I'm gonna show you that. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.